Slowly going through this now. This one tacked in. I've tacked under the bottom on all the rails. Next one down here, I just made up these quick clamps. They just stitched to this one and it just pushes down because I can't get a clamp there. And this one's stitched in just on the bottom in a load of spots all along. And we'll do the same. Cutting this out, but I cut it a bit too short at the beginning. It's more hassle to cut it a second time, so all I'll have is one to cut out on this one, one to cut out on that one, and then that's this back bit done. Not taking long at all. Don't know how much longer I'll be here. Mayo are playing today in all-round final, so it's been another couple of hours. But yeah, get the next one cut out. I'll just do the same. I just thought I'd show the clamps I'm using. I just made them up quickly. They actually worked really good. I never really used something like that before. Yeah, it's fitting nice and neat. Just doing a quick update here where I am on this. Not recording again much, it's just all welding. I've all the sheets cut out, ready to fit it in. And I'm just running around welding everything. Just along there. This whole top section is going to be welded fully just for fluid spills and stuff, just so everything's held in the bed. Yeah, so I'm just going welding that there now. And my turbo came in yesterday and exhaust and all that, so that's perfect timing. So I'm going to try and get that fitted, and I'm going to start working on that back pin, get the body on and stuff. I don't know how it came out so well. There's 30 holes here from A-frame and my winch and stuff, and I just drilled them quick and every one of them lined up, so it's fairly lucky. So yeah, just going to keep welding here, probably another day welding here, and I'll start on that turbo once it's a bit drier out. I haven't done much recording here. Everything welded. Just floor and spots. Someone asked me why am I welding the floor so much. I thought I'd say that when you have something heavy on here, in between here, like say like the forklift. The forklift is over 5.25 ton. It's 5 ton 300 kgs. There's a lot of weight and small spot on it, like per square inch. So if it's here, it pushes down, it'll stretch this metal. If I don't have these welded, when the forklift comes off, this will bow up or down and it'll rattle. So it's just to stop stuff stretching as much as it can, and if it does stretch, it stops it rattling. Just in case anyone asked me that, because someone's asked me that already, and I just thought I say that I have it welded all the way around. I have the other side welded, I think I showed that. Turbo's in the truck and it's running, exhaust is in there. I just have to get one exhaust clamp off my old exhaust and stick it on for the U-bend. Everything fitted, which is a surprise, but that U-bend is wrong. First it should have been smaller. That fits the turbos okay. What I'm doing is draining the hydraulic oil. I've all the oil drained out of that ram. Them rams are near enough empty. I haven't drained the one out of the big one. €75 to redo the oil. So I'm just gonna, I've put about a litre and a half of fresh oil in there every now and then, just to keep this being flushed out. But there's water in it, but it's gone like petrol. I've never seen it before. It cleaned my hand. I had all oil in my hands and it just cleaned it up like nothing. I'm just gonna let that drain out a bit more and then I'm just gonna fill this up. The plan now is get that body out, get it turned around again, get the body on and make up this pin mount. When I get that pin mount made up, I can put the last plate of steel on the floor and then that's that ready for painting. What I'll do is get a seam sealer and just push it into all them corners, and then I'm going to do that red oxide paint that's on there on the bottom of it and paint it. I was going to paint it white, but I think I'm just going to get something normal like Hammerite black or something and just spray paint it black. And I think that's there. I do need to cover this a bit. I'm going to leave a small gap at the bottom and I need to drill a hole at the top because that's going to fill with water. That's the only thing I need to do there. The body's been flipped upside down again anyway. I can work out what I want to do. But I want to, before I start messing with any of this stuff, welding it, I want to get the ram on and get a slit off the truck and make sure this isn't hitting. I have to cut a bit more off this. That's another bit I'm just worried about. So it shouldn't though, because that's higher. Unless I need to take more off that. Yeah, so I'm going to pull this body out now and get it flipped over. And then I want to pull the truck forward and need to fill it with oil now and just put the body back on it. It's a good bit of time, probably a week later. I have this whole bed welded. What I'm at doing now, I spent the last day, whenever I had the spare time, just going over taking all the weld splatter off the bed. And what I started this morning was seam sealing the joints. I've welded here. I can't see that. I've welded here, and this joint here I don't want it to rust. What I'm doing is I'm just running seam sealer along it. Just before I paint it, just to get everything sealed, stop that rust coming in. So just going to go through that, and then hopefully tomorrow, or Sunday, tomorrow, Saturday, probably Sunday, I can start. I'm going to red oxide the whole bed, and then just paint it with a 2K, seal it up. So that's just that done there. I put it on the truck and I load a Volkswagen Craft on it. I probably put that in the thumbnail if I can get it up to it. So you can see, because I can't put pictures in this video. The description it has, won't let me put in videos. Yeah, that's that ready to go there now. Just get it painted. Alright, I'm sealing up all these joints where I haven't welded. Like here. Just to seal it up and stop rust coming through. I've just noticed I've missed one down here. What I've done is I've used a tin and probably a third, maybe even half, on just that bit, as I'm wasting a load because I'm using my finger. And I tried a couple other things. So what I'm going to do here now is I got an icing bag off my mother. So I'll see will this save any. This stuff works unreal. Seam sealer. But it is sticking. Should have done smaller spoonfuls. Let's see how that goes. Take over and pop the thing out the end of it. That's better. Only I knew a qualified baker that could come and do this for me. Yeah, that's saving a load and it's quicker. Right. See that there?